Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. We'll talk about what I had on a plant-based Thanksgiving. There's my cat and dog. I had two meals. The first meal was a smoothie, super delicious. This was at noontime. It had four frozen bananas that I thawed in hot water to defrost, and because I froze them when they were unpeeled. Then I had a half a cup of coconut water and a half a cup of almond milk. It was two medjool dates, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I had one ripe banana. I had a few tablespoons of chocolate chia pudding, and I'm going to do a video soon on how I make that. And then I had a cup of frozen strawberries and a cup of frozen blueberries and a handful of kale. So I just ate twice today because that's what I felt like doing. So this meal again was at noon and it made just over a liter. This is a super delicious power smoothie recipe, so try that out. Then I had Thanksgiving dinner at 4:30. I went to this buffet and it was really delicious. They had all kinds of food there. So I had a few different plates of food, and I'm just kind of showing you some different shots of what they had there, but a really good selection. So my first plate of food was this huge salad. It had cucumbers and carrots and sunflower seeds and just mixed greens and raisins and things like that. It was really good. My second plate of food, I had stuffed bell pepper. It was plant-based. I had this stuffed potato. It was plant-based, and some veggies. And then I did have some dessert, some chocolate-covered strawberries, and some pie as well. So that was super delicious. And if you have not checked it out, I have a plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below. I have some delicious recipes, so make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.